Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm excited to introduce to you what I think is the absolute best back stretcher on the market. This is by a company called the Relief Expert Store, and I believe they are experts because I believe that they have designed the best back stretcher money can buy. I absolutely love this thing. This back stretcher is very unique. There's nothing else on the market like it. They have patent pending on this because of its unique design. What makes it so special? Let's talk about it. First of all, see that arch? That can change drastically and easily into any arch you want because they have this cool mechanism on the back. You've got instructions up and down. If you twist it this way, you're pulling it in, which raises the arch. And if you twist it this way, see that direction, then you're pushing it out and lowering the arch. Now, there are other back stretchers on the market that have like 3 steps. You can have, here, here, or here. This one, there's like 100 steps because every twist changes it just a little bit, and you can stop at any point in time. And it goes very low, or like a really low arch, or really high arch. So whatever you need, you can get with this back stretcher, and it's so easy. That's what I love about it. It's simple. This is one design. You don't have to assemble anything or put anything together. It comes just like this in the box, ready to go, and you just twist to raise, twist to lower, and get the perfect arch that you need for where you're at with your back stretching, which is great. That's just the beginning. Then you turn it over here and look at these nodes. 98 nodes. You've got 14 spine grooves and then 84 of these acupuncture nodes, and these are great. Now, when you first see this, you may think to yourself, oh my goodness, is that hard plastic? Because there are other back stretchers that have something kind of like this, but they're hard. They hurt your back. This is a very special material. It's perfect because it's soft, it's squishy, but it's not so soft that it's pointless, but it's soft enough that it doesn't hurt your back. It's very comfortable on your back, but firm enough to actually work as acupuncture devices to really help relax your back and give you, not just stretch your back, but give you a full relief of back pain and soreness. And that's what I love. I have struggled with lower back pain for like 10 plus years now, and especially in the last 7 to 8 years. So I'm always looking for products that will help me stretch my back, and this is great. I love the fact that you've got these nice soft acupunctures. It is comfortable to lay on, but the nodes definitely get those pressure points and help relieve your sore muscles, and the arch stretches your back in a great way. This can be used on the floor. It can also be used in a chair to help give you proper posture when you're sitting in a chair, if you want to use it that way. Again, because it's so adjustable, you can, maybe when you're stretching your back on the floor, you have a high arch, but when you're using it in your chair at work or at your desk, you have a different arch. And it's so easy to change with that twist change, which is great. This is also very strong. It will support up to 300 pounds. So it's got you covered whether you're a small person or a larger person. It can support up to 300 pounds. And just the fact that you've got those different arches, the fact that you can do anywhere from the lowest arch to the highest arch. And it's not 3 steps like a lot of the other products out there. It's unlimited from the lowest to the highest and anywhere in between. And so easy to adjust just by twisting and getting it to the place you need it to be. Just a really excellent design by the Relief Expert Store. If you have any type of back issues, if you are looking for a back stretcher, if you need a device that's going to help stretch your back and help keep your back healthy and in great shape, this is the product to get. I'm telling you, I just absolutely love it. Again, it is from the Relief Expert Store, and just a really excellent product, and one I would definitely recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions about this, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.